Imagine being asked to rebrand a restaurant, consolidate its space, and upgrade its technology, all while saving as much money as possible. Sounds like a juggling act, right? The challenge isn't just about installing the latest tech. It's about making tough financial decisions under the constraints of urgency and reliability. When you decide to keep old equipment, you're immediately facing one inescapable reality. Firmware and software updates are a must. Skipping those updates isn't an option if you care about safety, but they can make older machines painfully slow, turning every basic task into a drag. The real question becomes, what's more expensive? New equipment or my billable hours? Balancing cost with the realities of outdated gear is crucial. Imagine an urgent situation, a network overhaul that needs to happen overnight. Sometimes, reconfiguring existing equipment is the only viable option. It's all about setting priorities, balancing the client's budget against reliability and urgency. Often, I calculate the cost of replacement versus reconfiguration side by side. Reusing old equipment is labor-intensive, and labor isn't cheap. Sometimes, the cost of additional hours to make old gear work exceeds the cost of replacing everything. The art of balancing urgency, budget, and the limitations of older equipment makes this work both challenging and rewarding. Ultimately, the key question is, how do we balance cost, time, and reliability to meet immediate needs without compromising the long-term health of the business? That's the essence of my work.